Welcome to another Airbrush Asylum video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to airbrush some dagger strokes, give you a demo on how to do them. The dagger stroke is a super useful stroke that you use in lots of different airbrushing. It does take some time to master, but with practice and the use of this video, I hope that you'll be able to master the dagger stroke in no time. So let's get into it right now. So firstly, to create your dagger stroke, I want you to be a fair distance away from the surface. You can see here I'm probably about 15 centimeters away, and I'm going to start off with a larger spray and then I'm going to taper it off at the end. So to do that larger spray, you keep the air pressed on, pull back for paint, move slowly, let it build up, and then as you move in, you shut the paint off and you speed up through the stroke. All right, so the action again is slow, 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 slow. Then when you get up to this part here, you are moving in, so you're arcing in with the airbrush. Your trigger's moving in towards the front of your color cup or to the front of the airbrush as you finish off and taper off that stroke. So let's do one more of those. Okay, so now let's do the reverse. We'll go from thin to thick. So for this one, you want to be up nice and close. And we're going to go really quickly through this part. And then as you hit this area here, we're going to slow down and gradually increase our paint flow and finish off the stroke. So let's go ahead and do that now. So up nice and close, slowing down, pulling back on our trigger, and feathering it out. Okay, so exactly the same as what we did there, but just obviously the opposite. So a few examples there of the dagger stroke so far. Let's go ahead and do another one of these thin to thick in this section here, just so I can show you, and then I'll show you another combined dagger stroke. So up nice and close, moving quickly, pulling back, away from the surface, slowing down, and increasing the paint flow to get that flared section at the back. So for the final dagger stroke, I want to incorporate both of what you've just learnt. So the thick to thin and thin to thick. And we're going to do that all in one stroke. So we're going to go thin to thick to thin. Let's go ahead and do one more because that end started tip drying on me. So we'll go here, thin to thick to thin. Okay, so just a quick close-up of those dagger strokes. So as I mentioned, they do take a while to get the feel for. You'll need lots of practice, and if you want to continue your learning, be sure to check out some of the other videos and playlists that I've got listed here. Until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.